Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem code in Mobile Legends. Before beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe to it by pressing the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to redeem your code in Mobile Legends, then the process is quite easy. First, open up your Mobile Legends application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on your profile avatar at the top left-hand corner. Now this will open up your profile. Tap the settings button located at the top right from your profile page, and in the expanded pop-up menu, tap on redemption code. Now go ahead and enter your redemption code in the text box. After you are done typing it in, click on OK, and that way you'll be able to redeem your code in Mobile Legends. That is how it can be easily done. If the video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.